Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to link your American Express card to Zelle. If you're tired of dealing with cash or complicated transfers, this is for you. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. Zelle primarily works with bank accounts, and not all credit cards like American Express can be linked directly due to policies and regulations. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the best ways to make this work, possibly by linking through an associated bank account or debit card. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store and install it now. Once that's done, open the app and sign in or create a new account using your email or phone number. Next, you'll need to add your bank account. Here's where American Express comes in. If your Amex card is tied to a checking account, like through Amex's banking services, you can link that account to Zelle. Go to the Add Bank or Link Account section in the Zelle app and select your bank from the list. Enter your bank login details when prompted. Zelle uses secure connections for this. After that, verify your account. Zelle might send a small test deposit or ask for a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, your account should be linked, and you can start using it with your Amex funds. One important tip: always double-check Zelle's compatibility with your specific Amex card. Some cards might not work directly, so you may need to use a debit card linked to your Amex account instead. Also, remember that using credit cards for transfers can sometimes incur fees, so keep an eye on that. And there you have it. You're all set to send and receive money seamlessly. If you run into any issues, reach out to Zelle or Amex customer support. They're usually super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.